Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to wear multiple face accessories on your Roblox avatar. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Do you want to change your facial appearance on Roblox and allow to wear multiple face accessories? To do this, open up browser. You just need to locate Roblox website and log into your Roblox account. You just need to click on this three slash icon. Click on avatar, click on accessories, click on face. Here you will find both free and paid face accessories guys. Click on the Google and see how avatar looks while wearing them. Now in the paid accessories, select any one of these face accessories. Here you can see your avatar wearing the face accessories along with Google. You can also try other face accessories to customize your avatar's appearance. That's how you can wear multiple face accessories, but please note that some face accessories may require purchases. Other accessories might not work alongside other. You can always preview your avatar before making a purchase guys. You can preview it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.